Welcome to the Vistas. This is a light, open community of 7 Murray Franklyn homes, 4 of the most popular floor plans, right in the heart of Sammamish, next to our schools, grocery, restaurants, parks, churches, transportation, and recreation, all within minutes of our homes. A wealth of nearby lifestyle amenities such as Sammamish Community YMCA, library, and several nearby parks provide an exciting collection of conveniences. If you want to take an evening stroll, Pine Lake Park and Lake Sammamish State Park are just down the hill. The Vistas is also just down the street from fantastic supermarkets such as the Metropolitan Market and Trader Joe's, making a quick trip to the grocery store easy. Close proximity to I-90 and downtown Bellevue and top employers such as Microsoft, Amazon, and Google are all reasons to choose the Vistas. Exquisite features include generous wide plank brushed oak flooring, a rich decor of millwork, crown mold, and main floor in-suites, dens, gourmet kitchens, and Huntwood classic cabinetry. Large islands and professional-grade appliances highlight these homes. The Vistas is in the award-winning Issaquah Public School District, which features Skyline High School. There are several private school options highlighted by Eastside Catholic Prep School. Come visit the Vistas and tour these elegant new designs crafted with quality features by the Murray Franklyn Company.